first one you want to open? Let's open some. Look, did you see Santa brought you a hockey stick? Here, let's sit down here on the rug. Can you open it yourself? Can you open it? Rip it open. There. What's in there? What's in there? Whoa! Wow! Here, you can just take it out now. Just go like this. What is it? It's a puzzle. Cool. Here, see? Look, we'll do it later, but you can look in there and see. Wow, all different pieces to put together. It's a big puzzle. Let's open another present. Go get another one to open.